Why this? It's so cold, and it's not winter, and it's not winter. Whew. Hi, Nishana. Woo. It is so cold. I am freezing out here, girl. In the street of Foreign, it's cold. I'm doing my lunch hour walk. I normally does the dinner, but I never ever normally come live. Thank you, Nishana. But I decided to come live today. Get outside. I hear the copter roaring. Hear the copter roaring. The earthquake, I felt it not heavily, but I felt it a little. Yeah, there's helicopter all over now. Maybe doing rescue work. Hi, Nishan. Hi, Shireen. What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? I'm doing my lunch hour walk, and I decided to take you guys along. Whew. But it's so freaking cold. It's so cold. Whew. Mm. It is so cold here. Students going to classes. Wow. I'm gonna show you this pretty campus, but there are too many students walking. Mm-hmm. Mm. I'm trying, honey. I am trying. Hi. There's conversation that way, so let's go this way. Let's make a U-turn. Oh, but it's cold. Outside is sunny, kind of, guys. But it's cool like December morning. Whew. I don't want to get lost. All right, no student around this side, so yeah, I can show this side. Yeah, can't go, can't go far. Coming at one last. Campus is huge. We don't want to get lost. So me have to do a circling thing, How you all doing? Long time I not come live. Wagwan. What's going on, guys? The cold season soon over. Soon over. A spring now and me still cold. So it look like this a season here now end. It's cold like winter. And it snowed yesterday. Yes, it is beautiful. It's a beautiful campus. Yeah, I must say. Very beautiful, clean. Yeah, it's a college. Yeah, very, very, very beautiful. Oh, ooh, mercy. No, sir. If we go by the river, the Hudson River, it would be worse. Cool. I mean, I avoid this, so, but it look like that side. I come around on this side because I feel so cold like when snow falling. I may have video it. That's how I feel out cold in us, guys. Whew. I guess the jacket that I have on is not thick enough because I never did
You would get that.
cloak up because I never wanted to be hot. But might as well I did wear my regular clothes because It's cold. We are burning up, really? Yeah, cause summer soon come to Jamaica now. Summer soon come here too, but we have to get over spring, and spring look like it's gonna be all cold. Oh, find one sun area. You know, so I now move from right here, so here so feel warm, guy. Monroe hot. Oh, okay. Me find one sun guy, one hot sun right here, so I feel nice. Me now move. Me now move from here, so here so it's nice. And my nose out for run. So like me should have did wear my hat. Right now. Ooh, Treasure Beach. Oh, well, yeah, say you're on vacation, Shireen. Shireen, are you on vacation? Me say, me nah move. Me not tell them, say me nah move. Me stuck right here, so me show you the big tree where me stuck under. And the sun right here, so me nah move. Me not moving. I'm gonna stay here until I'm ready to go back inside. So the thing is, I get lunchtime, but the lunch not come yet, so I walk out. When the lunch come now, by the time I go back inside, it's supposed to reach. So Shireen, what you doing at Treasure? That's where you live, or you on a vacation? Hmm? There a tour going on because registration gonna start for fall semester. Treasure because I know Mano not that hot. No vacations. What you doing down there, miss? What are you doing? You just went for a little visit? I know so you're from St. You're from that's where Treasure Beach. I not even remember. I St. Elizabeth Treasure Beach there. Treasure Beach there. Where is Treasure Beach again? In Shireen? Nishan? Where is Treasure Beach? Where you find them place there again? No St. Elizabeth. Yeah. Of course. I think I've been there. Yeah. Oh, so all the you're living in the tourist environment, so Treasure Beach is like nothing to you going by there. Yeah, but for we over the east now, when we down there, so a vacation, we I think about. Yeah. Yep. Vacation. Why I not even want to move from here, say no? It's the way the place nice and warm right here, so I know this big tree here. Me not even want to move. Guys, today is my sister's birthday. I think I did a post. You go all over there and show her some love. Yeah. Me say me find it and me not moving. Me stuck right in the warm spot. The sun nice. So the sun really nice and warm right here, so yes. Me nah move. Till me done talk to you. I'm not moving until I'm finished talking to you guys. Yeah, which is soon. Yeah, but the campus, let me show you again. It's beautiful, it's nice, it's quiet, it's nice, beautiful campus. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nice, nice, nice. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Nice, beautiful campus. Yeah. Ooh. Trees them just nice, and can you imagine when these trees start in the summer, start bloom back up, bucket leaves? Wow, it's gonna be magnificent. It's gonna be awesome. Mm-hmm. It's gonna be awesome. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yes, guys. So I just come to say hi. See how I'm not doing, cause a month now I'm not come live. Months. Oh, me get one of them little something I have to drive by campus. Look on it, guys. You know see it? One little something to drive around campus. The way campus big, you have a lot of them to move from one area to the next. I don't know if you have to pay, if you get one, if you drive. I don't know how it go. I must ask. Maybe it's free, or maybe after. Yes. All of the above. Who is that? Yura Ahara. How are you? Hello from Jamaica. Hello. How are you? Welcome to my live. Welcome. I'm finally walking now, guys. Good to know you're good. It's good to know that you are good, 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 good. My Jamaican sister, welcome in. Welcome in. Hi, how are you? How are you? Are you okay? Guys, I'm gonna be checking out soon. As I said before, I just came to say hi and bye. So I am going to be saying goodbye for now. Woo, look, the sun is right here too. Thank you, Shireen. Yes, I felt it. I felt the earthquake. I felt the earthquake. It wasn't frightening. I felt harder one in Jamaica than this one. I was sitting down working and I felt it. Yeah. Enough love, enough love. Take care, guys. Love you know, love you know. Be good and be safe. Yeah, some student ride Ghana school pan, then class panelic scooter. Yeah. I guess you have to can drive it. If you use it. Campus big, so yeah. Bye guys. Take care. Love you. See you on my next live. Remember to subscribe to my channel. If you know, you know. Please subscribe. Please share. Please like. Where's the next person? Kishuk Urahaha. We miss you. You miss me? How you if you miss me? Eh? I first miss you on my live. Or you know me differently. Oh, nice to know that you miss me. Let me stand up here and argue a bit. Nice to know that you miss me. Remember to like and share, guys. And subscribe if you are not a subscriber. Follow me on Facebook also. Okay? Shireen, please, if you can put the link for them to follow me. Thank you. Thank you. Bye, guys, and take care. Bye. Peace out. Nishana, why you laughing? Oh, I don't understand how Nishana laugh after me, no? Choop, 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 choop. Bye, guys. Love you, no? Love you, no, loads. Share, share, share. Bye. Take care. I'm gonna save my food come. I'm gonna save the lunch come. Okay?